Hey everyone! Today I'm sharing an updated beginner's guide to HitPaw Edamacore, one of the best video editing tools for creators of all levels. We'll cover essential editing tips, smart editing features, and the powerful AI tools that make editing faster and easier than ever. Essential video editing basics. Start by opening Edamacore, creating a new project, and importing your clips with the plus icon, or by dragging them onto the timeline. Trim by dragging the edge of a clip, or use the split tool to cut out unwanted parts. Add transitions or titles with just a click, and customize fonts, colors, or animations in the editing panel, or simply apply a ready-made text style. Adjust audio levels and fade-ins easily, and use auto subtitles to generate accurate captions instantly. Don't forget to zoom in for precise edits and zoom out to keep your entire project organized. Keyframes let you animate elements over time, like adding a slow zoom, creating smooth movement, gradually adjusting opacity to make your video feel more dynamic. Smart editing. Edamacore's smart editing tools help you edit fast with 3 powerful features: AutoCut, text-based editing, and silence detection. AutoCut can split your footage by scene, duration, or even by person, making it perfect for reaction videos, compilations, or reorganizing clips instantly. Text-based editing lets you edit by simply deleting or replacing text in the transcript, and the video updates automatically. And with silence detection, you can remove awkward pauses in one click for a smoother, tighter edit. AI tools in Edamacore. And beyond smart editing, Edamacore also includes a powerful suite of AI tools that take your workflow even further. You can generate AI videos, create AI images, remove backgrounds, enhance footage, clean noise, and even transform your voice, all without leaving the editor. These tools make it easier than ever for beginners to create professional-looking content with just a few clicks. That's your updated beginner's guide to Edamacore. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.